Hey, baby.
Carmen, call the front desk, Carmen.
That's Karma. That's the one that helped deliver you. Sucking on a passy after 30 minutes of breastfeeding. Just got your bilirubin checked. Hopefully we'll go home tonight. Mommy's been up all night. So is Daddy. Daddy has to work. So Daddy can pay for your expensive schools and colleges and wedding. Every time I watch that Father of the Bride movie, I get depressed. I'm kidding. Hello.